Hey guys, this is Siddharth from Nestor's Productions, and today we are going to see how do I print drums. Okay, so printing drums is a kind of emulation that you usually see in a big studio where a drummer comes into the studio and tracks his whole set of drums using different mic sets. Okay, and it get printed or it get recorded in separate tracks. Okay, so similar kind of emulations we're going to see how I do when I am using plugin based drumming. Okay, so as you know that I cannot have a big drum set. I cannot have a big drum set in my house, and I don't have enough of inputs and outputs to mic a drum. Okay, so basically what I do is I use a plugin based drum software where I um, media map the drum performances according to my client and I print it out. Okay, so it is a similar kind of process how you do in a big studios, but it happens. The only difference is that there is no actual player where we are uh, emulating the performance using a programmed drum set. Okay, so what I have done here is I've already created different mic outputs from the Superior Drummer. Okay, if I open the Superior Drummer, if I go to the mixer, you can see there are different outs, and according to those outs I have routed to each and every track of Superior Drummer 3. Okay, now after that what we can do is simply create some auxiliary tracks, or you can call it as burst tracks. Okay, so for this what I'll do is just right click and add a burst track. Okay, so we have a bus one, so accordingly we can see we should have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We should have 9 tracks. Okay, so I'll just create 8 more tracks now. Okay, so I have 8 auxiliary tracks in which each superior drummer tracks will be routed individually. So what I'll do is simply uh, change this kick track to bus 1. The out should be changed to the buses. Okay, so I'll do that. Okay, so if I play this, so you can see each and every mic set of the superior drums is now routed to the individual to their respective bus tracks. Now to print we need audio tracks. So with the same process like bus track we did, we will create 9 more tracks uh, as for the printing process. Okay, so I'll press T and I'll name this as drums. I have a color code to recognize. Okay, and I'll just keep it in stereo for now. And I'll create 9 more counts. Okay, so yes, so I have now 9 more tracks. In these tracks the each and every mic set of the superior drum will get printed. So now what we'll do is simply route this bus track uh, into the audio tracks. Okay, so similar process like from the superior drummer to the bus. I will do from bus to the audio track. So I'll change the inputs. Okay, so I'll go to the input, I'll go to the bus, and accordingly I'll change the inputs. Okay, so now what is happening is here is that the kick is going to the kick track, the snare is going to the snare track. You can name it individually, each and every track. For example, if I take this, I'll copy this to this. Okay, now similar with the audio track. Okay, so each audio track is now named. You can see the kick in from Superior Drum is going to the boss track of kick in, and that kick in from the boss track is going to the audio track of kick in. So similar process with all the 9 mics. And now we can start printing our track. So what I'll do here is that I select all my audio track, okay, and I'll arm it. After arming it, I can simply start recording. So once I push the record button, you can see that the performance is getting printed. Okay, so as you can see that my drums are printed now. So if I solo them, you will hear only the performance of the drum, which has been printed from a plugin based software. Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how we print drums and how to get that actual studio kind of recording from the drum performance. Why we do this? You can save your CPUs, okay, CPU RAM process. You can save that because you can you can mix with the software based drums, but that can have more RAM, more power usage. So basically from that you can just try to print your drum set and have a mix working on the actual transient of the drum, so you can have a creative mix with your audio. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions or doubt, please comment below and let me know. Visit my website netstudioproductions.com and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for more videos update. Thank you.